Only the machine will not give you the advantage. You need the educated team behind that.
So always we have to practice that we need to train more than one people on something. So that, okay, one people, if he grows and goes out, I have other people to do the things.
We need to create a proper linkage between the learning of our team and also invest in the right technology that fits us.
We have to look for the productivity and sustainability effect. Sustainability means we have to reduce the energy cost, we have to reduce the water, we have to reduce the carbon footprints, when we have to keep the safety of our worker. So we can see also the sub-market in the China, Taiwan, Korea, they're coming so-called to the new technology, but they cannot sustain with the team building, then giving the service or spare parts, scarcity. So, to make the new investment or adoption of the new technology, it doesn't help you alone. We need also so when you buy the machines, I'll ask you to focus in the few points. See that every people are coming from the different angles. You have to find your the objective, what you want the first. Second, regarding this, what is the productivity is giving us? If I am investing in the new technology, I am having any advantage or not by the production. Second, whether I am making the energy consumption, how many percents we are reducing. Second thing is that only the machine will not give you the advantage. You need the educated team behind that. When you buy the machine or invest the new adoption, you have to think whether you can build your team from the machine seller or not. I think this should be the most number one criteria. They should build an educated team, service team, so you can help yourself. What is the use if I buy the very expensive machine and I don't have a good operator and I am waiting for the service team? Then I am losing the production. If my production is high, then I'll be losing more and more high. So, these are the things what need to be very careful. Another thing is the saving the energy. You can build a rooftop solar panel. So, this is the high time for you to make this. So, this is the thing I want to say. The technology is important. Your thinking is also important. And we should have think twice what we are going to invest. What is effective is there or not there. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Defining the challenges, putting the opportunity in front. And it was a nice speech from you, Engineer Sakhawat. Thank you very much. So now I'd like to request Mr. Amanur Rahman, please give your presentation.
Thank you, Tareq bhai. I believe in today's session we need to talk about technology and processes that we need to focus for innovation. Look into new technologies that can help us take our decisions faster and in a correct way. So digitalization and digitalization and data analytics is very important. We need to use new technologies like IoT, Internet of Things, so that we can collect more data about the products and processes we are having, and by analyzing those data, we can find out the bottlenecks of our process or cost or sustainability where we can improve and become more competitive or become more compliant and sustainable to the environment. We need to look into dye stuff and chemicals which can save not only save cost but which can shorten the process, which can save energy, and which can also reduce the waste. So that is there is a lot of development in that segment also. So e-commerce is another technology that we should look into. Through e-commerce, we can try to grow more marketplace for our product. We can try to diversify the customers we are reaching, and it can also help us improve our customer service. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Amanur Rahman, for presenting some latest developments.
So obviously, when the gas price is gonna increase, obviously our industry is having orders which is forward, right? We are now booking for April, May, and whatever we have booked, that analysis maybe not done with everyone, that there is gonna be a price hike. So that is going to be a big challenge for us who has already booked orders up till April and May, and it is not like we can go to the buyers and say, all right, hey, our gas price has increased, so you need to pay up, and that's not our plate. So we have to right now hold up and buckle up and work on cost saving initiatives. So what are the things that we can do better? How can we use the energy that we have right now? How to make it much more efficient? You need to have your engineers work on betterment using this data, and then work much more better every single day. So that is Kaizen that you have explained, incremental small improvements. If we can work on those, obviously, inshallah, we can turn this industry to become number one someday. That is what we believe.
The management who is investing the machine, there must be very much in with their thinking, how we can get the advantage of the machine supplier. And in fact, what I have taken the experience with the machines, I got all the support. So in the rotary print, maximum we can run 25 to 35 meter per minute, depends on the design and print. But the digital print and the Lario, I have run up to 85 meter per minute. So it is a 3 times a huge production in compared to the rotary. So as my production is coming very fast, I can be the cheaper.
Right.
And then I am saving also with that in the rotary. In the digital, I can make unlimited color. Unlimited color. In the rotary, what the machine I have, I cannot do more than 12 color.
We need to invest in people. We need to encourage the practice of learning new technology. And we don't need to be afraid to lose people. Okay, I train and he goes, and then what will happen to me? So always we have to practice that we need to train more than one people on something. So that, okay, one people, if he grows and goes out, I have other people to do the things. So we need to invest in people, training in technical knowledge and other expertise, so that we are never dependent on somebody else or even few people in the company. So that is very important. So sometimes there is resistance to change, but we have to develop the culture.
I would not say that only investing in technology is the smartest way, but then which technology fits you right, And then is there a demand for that technology in the future? And is your country or the manufacturing state is ready to be able to invest in that and then acquire the right value to their clients? So we need to think that we should not only invest on technology, and then we don't know how to create value out of this. So it is a must that we need to create a proper linkage between the learning of our team and also invest in the right technology that fits us. Our weaving are more automated than they were before, and we have PLC systems which the data comes to our system, and we can make proper prompt decisions, informed decisions from these PLC systems. And in terms of the dyeing process, there were a lot of water usage, but right now in denim, we are working on this zero project where we have incorporated only 300 ml of water per yard. We have this fantastic system, the rainwater harvesting system, which allows us to conserve this water that normally goes into drains and rivers, and we don't have a way to capture it. We're capturing this water and using it for the entire firefighting system, the secondary reservoir, and also these water reservoirs, we know that we're extracting a lot of water from the ground. These rainwater harvests are also linked to the ground.
So when we are going to invest the machines for us, we are thinking that money should be come back within 5 years. Within 5 years. Otherwise, it is very difficult to get the money back and to put another money for the further investment. So investment, if I do that technology today, so maybe tomorrow it is old. I mean, it's too short. After 1 year or 2 years, the new technology is coming. So if the new technology is coming, if you see the efficiency, productivity, and the cost saving is much, much more, then we are thinking, okay, side by side, you put another machines, and after 5 years when this money absorbed, we take the money back and then going for the investment.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম, আমার নাম ওমর ফারুক। আমি একজন টেক্সটাইল ইঞ্জিনিয়ার, একটা কোম্পানিতে, গ্রুপ কোম্পানিতে ম্যানেজার হিসেবে আছি। তো আমি দীর্ঘ 16 বছর যাবত এই টেক্সটাইল সেক্টরে জব করতেছি। তো আজকে আপনারা যারা ইন্ডাস্ট্রির মালিক পক্ষ যারা আছেন কথা বলতেছেন, 90% মেশিনারিজ মানে বিদেশের, বাংলাদেশের কোম্পানি খুবই কম। সেজন্য কি আপনারা কি কোনো উদ্যোগ নিতেছেন না বা নিচ্ছেন না বা নিবেন কি না?
So thank you very much for your interesting question. You have a very valid point. So the initiative have to be taken by us. That is correct. But how to follow this? Somebody like you have to come in the step to do this initiative.
There are people who are trying. So in my own company, I motivate my engineers to create something, make it much more better, or even copy what the Europeans are doing. And my engineers, with partnership with Indian companies, they have engineered and customized a machine where we can save up to 95% water, 40% electricity, and 55% chemicals in the denim technology. Whereas previously, denim we used to have 10, 8, 12 baths. Obviously, Walton technology te amaderke show koreche Bangladesh is capable, and hopefully, inshallah, very shortly, Bangladesh will be having entrepreneurs who will be investing in big machineries.
Yes.